Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here again. Today we're gonna unbox one of the new PRL FL5 titanium inlet pipes. I'll go over it real quick, show you the parts that are included in the kit. It's just a quick video, tune in for the whole length of it. Let's get into it. All right guys, PRL box. Remember, every time you get a part in, just double check the part number, make sure it's actually what you ordered. I have a ton of people that order the wrong thing and then they go to install and take everything apart and they're like, man, I ordered the wrong part. So just real quick, make sure you actually have the part you were supposed to get. Regardless of whatever part comes in, it's just always a good rule of thumb. The minute it comes, just double check. All right, quick unboxing. This is what you'll see. Couplers, clamps, you've got your wrapped up cast piece that goes on the turbo, and the inlet will be in here. Let's get it out. All right, look at that beautiful kit. All right, let's go over real quick. It's not gonna be a long one. Got your cast piece, goes on the turbo, 2 bolts right here, super easy. We also sell a thermal gasket if you guys want to purchase it from P2R that goes here. Cut down a little bit of the heat that goes onto the cast. You've got your bag of clamps here. You've got your 3 couplers. This is for the HVI PRL intake. This kit does not work with a stock airbox. You have to order the kit that goes with a stock airbox. We don't have them in stock right now. We only have the HVI ones. So that's the way to go. Let's just check out this titanium pipe. You can see the welds in there. If you are wanting to get a kind of burnt look on your inlet pipe, you can take a torch to it. It's whatever look you want. This does fit the FL5 Civic and the DE5 Integra Type S. All right, one quick question I get all the time. Does this need a tune? No, it does not. The great thing about almost all the PRL parts is they work without a tune. Obviously, it's recommended. You're gonna make a lot more power with a tune. But if you're doing the intake, I recommend this. We've got a ton of these in stock right now. If you're watching the video maybe a week out, I'd probably hit us up through email just to double check. Same with the intakes right now. We're waiting about a week for another set of intakes. But yeah, this is all the parts. Make sure this is what you get in your kit. And I hope you guys enjoy. Obviously another great PRL part brought to you from us. All right, I'll leave a link below. And you guys can order up. We offer free shipping. And we cover the tax in most states. So make sure to always check your order total on checkout, because I guarantee you we beat a lot of shops out there. All right, guys, like and subscribe.